Huh?
Ano ito the comic? What's up, guys? I'm back. Another video, same day. Now, this is the package that I've actually thought was waiting on. So it started raining, man. It's like, let me turn the camera around. It started raining, so I refused to walk up there. Well, I was going to anyway. Then, like, as soon as I walked outside, it started raining harder. So, about to head up there. And go in this thing again, get what I actually wanted to get, show y'all me putting it in, you know what I'm saying, just a little quick video. It's probably like a freaking 2-minute video. I'm supposed to be taking my nephew to football practice, but I don't know if they're still gonna be doing practice or whatnot. Oh, y'all wanna see something? Check this out right here. So this right here, this is lady driven, right? This is lady driven. It's her. She got a nice little 5.7. They got the black racing stripes and stuff like that, right? So how about hold on, I'm turning around. How about she tried to play me one day? So I was outside. I forgot what I was doing to the car. I think I was just doing the waterless car wash, right? So I'm wiping the car down, and I was like, I said, hey, you the one that drive the silver 5.7 up front, right? She was like, yeah, that's me. I was like, man, you sitting there trying to race me one day, weren't you? She said, no, you just think you are that because you got a Daytona. This is what I did. I was like, excuse me? I was like, what the hell? And then she proceeds to drive off in the golf cart. I was like, oh, so you just gonna drop the mic and roll off on your boy like that, right? It's whatever. You know what I'm saying? It was funny though, but I don't think I'm all that because I got a Daytona, none of that stuff like that. I just like what I got because I got what I want. Oh, my brother's pulling up by me for some reason. I don't know what he wants. I'm at the front of the neighborhood and he just like pulls in slowly and discreetly and parks. Interesting. But this is what I hate about the radar. Like, I hate this stupid cord. Like, what? I need to like mount this cord up somewhere, or like, mount this cord up somewhere, or like tuck it somewhere or something. Cause this cord like really gets on my nerves, man. I don't think I ever showed y'all this. I did this so long ago that I forgot to put it in the video where I was talking about everything I done. Yeah, this is it right here, man. It comes with a lot of modes and stuff like that. So I be forgetting all about it though. And now what he's doing? See? Oh yeah, he just pulled up and then now he's backing up. He said he was trying to look at my car. He said, is it possible to look inside your car? I'm like, but got it. Just put the code in. Oh, there go the other package. Oh, see, it feels like something in this one. What the heck is this? Okay. I can record me opening this one here. I feel like something in this one, so. y'all see what it is. Pedal shifter extenders. Had to get them, you know what I'm saying, and it's blue to go with what I got, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding. But I just wanted to get them. I guess it's a 3M tape for it. Yep, double-sided tape. I wanted to get it because you know, you be racing, and when you try to if you check out my other video when I was talking about I hate how the pedal shifters are so short. Yeah, I was like, man, I need to go ahead and get the extensions. It's raining something serious right now. Oh, okay, Mr. Wasp. I apologize. I guess I intruded on his little area. But man, look at it. It is really coming down. Oh, you can see her car a little better. I like it. It's nice. See the car a little better. All right, y'all. We want to go ahead and. All right, y'all. We gotta go ahead back in this car. So if I get wet, guess what? Y'all gotta get wet. You ready? Oh, it's cold. Woo! 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 Big old Mac Daddy drops, boy. What we in here, man? All right, I'm gonna pull up in front of the crib, and I'm gonna try to dry off a little bit. I think I got a towel back there. I gotta try to dry off a little bit. So I'll check y'all when we get parked. I'm gonna go ahead and side swipe. Now, all right, y'all. So I ain't got no towel or nothing, but I ain't tripping. But I did find hand sanitizer wipes, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these little pedal shifters wiped down. Show y'all as I do it. Yeah, that'll work. I like the way this looks. So this will sit here like that. All right, yeah, like that. Okay. Little something. And boom, first one on. Took a little longer than it should have, but you know, when you start trying to be a perfectionist, that's when stuff start taking longer. But like my dad said growing up, do it right the first time. You ain't gotta worry about doing it again. Message! Alright, that's one of them. It's the other one. And another thing I like about it is, so they put plus and minus. Oh shit. They put plus and minus on them. So let it focus, yeah. So plus and minus is on it. And you know, you can't really mess it up. Like if you mess it up, it's because you want to mess it up. Because like if you look, here's the plus and here's the minus. So, yeah, if you mess this up, it's because you want to mess it up. And you just lack attention to detail. Small, minute details, you know what I'm saying? So, well, I don't even think that would be considered small because that's like a big part of it. They tells you where to put it. All right, let me go ahead and get this next one on there. There it is. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this, get it all nice and clean. It's nothing, you know, messes with it. Give it time to dry. That didn't do nothing. It's all in here. peeling off the 3M tape. Number 1. And you know you want to apply pressure. Let me turn the camera on. So you want to apply pressure. So, boom, look how that looks. Oh yeah, I like it. That makes a big difference, don't it? I like it. You see it before? Look how little that is. You see it now? How it's extended? Yeah, I like that. Double-sided 3M tape, gotta love it. I'm thinking about doing the thing, you know, they be changing this out and making something right here. I'm thinking about putting like Nemesis here. Because y'all know my car's name is Nemesis. And, you know, Nemesis is off of Resident Evil. So, that's why I'm going with the whole gray and blue theme. Because, you know, that's basically his colors. But, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get the other one on and stop talking. And, boom, there we got it, y'all. My little extenders. I like it. I rock with it. It's cool. It's cool. So yeah, but that's just another little quick mod. I like it. I'll drop a link below where I got it from. I got it off Amazon. I don't want to make up a price because I really don't remember right now. But I'll just leave a link in the description below. It's real solid material too. Like it's blue, it comes with double-sided and 3M tape. So it's real simple to put on. You can do it in like what, literally 2 minutes like I did. Took long because I was recording and I'm just extra. So yeah, with that being said, it's your boy Right Lifestyle checking out with another video. Peace.